Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets and numbers. Kids colors name: blue color, yellow color, red color, yellow color, green color, black color. Kids now coloring alphabets and numbers. Kids first draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw B. B for ball, B for bat. C. C for cat, C for car. Kids now draw D. D for dog, D for doll, and use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. E. E for egg, E for elephant. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw F. F for fish, F for fan. Kids now draw G. G for God, G for glass, and use red color. H. H for hand, H for helicopter. Kids again use red color and draw I. I for ice, I for ice cream. Kids now draw J. J for joker, J for jackfruit, and use yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw K. K for kite, K for king. L. L for lion. Kids now draw M. M for moon, M for monkey, and use green color. Kids again use green color and draw N. N for nose, N for nest. Kids now draw O. O for orange, O for octopus, and use black color. P. P for parrot, P for penguin. Kids again use black color and draw Q. Q for queen. Kids now draw R. R for rose, R for rice, and use blue color. S. S for sun, S for snake. Kids again use blue color and draw T. T for teacher, T for tiger. Kids now draw U. U for umbrella, and use yellow ochre color. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw V. V for van, V for violent. Kids now draw W. W for wolf. X. X for X-ray. Kids now draw Y. Y for yak, and use red color. Z. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. Kids now draw numbers, and first we draw 1 and use yellow color. O and 1, 2. The numbers of 2. Kids again use yellow color and draw 3. The numbers of 3. Kids now draw 4 and use green color. Green color. 5, 6. Kids now draw 7. The numbers of 7 and use black color. Black color. 8. The numbers of 8. Kids again use black color and draw 9. Kids now draw 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.